Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the 3000 milliampere solar power pack from the company Campark. As with all my purchases, I get nothing for doing these videos. I like doing these videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item. They want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. So what exactly is this? This is a 6-volt solar panel for your trail cameras. Now I'm using a Campark trail camera here. Doesn't matter if it's Campark or not, you can use this with any 6-volt trail camera. The only key is that you got to make sure that your trail camera has the connection that's going to match the cord on here. There's some other companies that sell different cords. I'll show you that here in a second. So let's take a look at everything we get. Got a simple instruction manual. As with most solar panels, you're going to plug the solar panel into a wall outlet, get it fully charged. Then once it's charged, you're going to plug it into the trail camera, and then the sun outside will keep the solar panel charged and keep your camera running. Instruction manual. Solar panel itself, we'll look at that last. Mounting bracket, metal mounting bracket, and some screws to mount it. Pretty standard with most trail cameras. You're going to get a couple different cords in here. So first cord you're going to get is going to be your wall outlet. This is going to be what you're going to use to fully charge your solar panel whenever you need to charge it. And then the second cord is going to be a connection cord to your camera. So you're going to have one end of this that's going to go into the solar panel, the other end is going to go into your trail camera. This is where I was saying whatever trail camera you want to use this with, you've just got to make sure that, well, let's see if I can, that it fits in that hole. A lot of cameras will use this small round, sorry, I don't know what the millimeter size is. They'll use the small one. I think there's some trail cameras out there like Moultrie that use the bigger one. Last but not least, we have the solar panel itself. Pretty cool, it's nice. It's got a plastic housing around it, so it should be protected. You've got two different threads. You've got one for the back, so you can thread your mounting bracket to the back of it, or you can thread it to this bottom one. You're going to notice two different ports down here. One of them is going to be your output, one of them is going to be your input. So when you are charging your solar panel, you're going to use the input. You're going to plug this into the wall. You're going to take this end, you're going to plug it into your input port for charging. And then when you're putting it out in the field, you're going to take the output, you're going to plug this cable into the output, and then the other end into your trail camera. That'll get it up and running. Pretty simple stuff. There's not much to it. As always, I hope the video helps.